In this video, I'll detail how to turn on VPN iPhone. So if you have a VPN added to your iPhone, you can easily turn on this VPN. Otherwise, you need to add a VPN to your iPhone if you want to use VPN on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn on VPN on iPhone, all you just need to do is swipe down the control center. If you're using iOS 18, on the control center, locate the connectivity box, then press and hold it. Then you should see the VPN here. So that is the quickest way you can use to turn on VPN on your iPhone. Tap this. If you already have a VPN installed on your iPhone, then you should see the VPN turned on. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to set up a VPN. Alternatively, you can also turn VPN on your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down until you see the VPN. You can just click on this and then turn on this VPN. So once you turn on the VPN, this is going to show the VPN status, and then you see connected. And here you can see I have VPN here. Or better still, while on the settings home page, just turn on VPN like this. And you should see VPN connecting. Once it is connected, the VPN will pop at the top right, just displaying the battery and then hide again. Also, if you do not have the VPN configuration to your iPhone, then locate the VPN application you're using on your iPhone. So I'm using this particular VPN. Then open it. Once you open the VPN, click on the location you want to connect to turn on the VPN. Then you should see the VPN connecting. And once the VPN is connected, this is going to show that the VPN is connected here. You should see VPN at top right. Then if you go to your iPhone control center, swipe down, click on the connectivity box, then you should see VPN turned on. Also, if you go to your iPhone settings, then you should see the VPN turned on. So this is how you can easily turn on VPN on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.